You know, guys, when I first started using WordPress, I thought I was the best web designer. You know, I'd make a website and then I was so eager to show someone. And after I would show someone, they told me the website looked terrible. And I took things really personal. So I went to other people and I'm like, what do you guys think of this? Do you like it? And they said the same thing. When I used WordPress, there was no templates available. We had very little resources compared to today's standards. And if this happens to you, there's no shame because this happens to everyone a few times during their web design career. 5 months ago, me and my team started our Elementor template marketplace. We started with just around 100 templates and we had a lot of positive feedback. Since then, we have now doubled in size and now we offer more than 200 different templates or 2,000 different template pages. And what's even better is that we've actually cut all our prices in half. So let me go ahead and show you guys our templates and then show you guys how to import them. All right, now before we begin, I want to explain why these template kits stand out versus other generic template kits that you might find on the internet. Now, the difference is with these template kits, we offer tons of various pages per kit. We don't just offer like the home, the about, the services, the contact, you know? No, we offer everything, right? We offer the 404 pages, the archive pages. We also add in custom headers and footers, custom 404 pages, archive pages, and even Elementor pop-ups for every single kit. We have done a lot of work for every kit. You know, we put our heart and soul into every one of these kits. And the kits look great, you know, every single one of them. They're very unique, they're very modern, they're not really the same as others, and they're very, the designs are amazing, you know. And just by looking at these, you guys can tell that we have done a lot of work with these kits, and we have a full team making 10 every single month. Just 5 months ago, we had around 100, but we really wanted to push the limits, so we added a lot more. And since then, we have now doubled in size. And as you guys can tell, these kits look amazing. And all you gotta do is simply export a folder onto your website and then bloop, everything propagates. It's truly amazing. Now let me go ahead and show you guys our new pricing options. And these are just some of our kits. But again, we have more than like 200 at this point, so we have quite a bit. You guys can go check out my website. There is a link below. But let me go and explain to you our new pricing options in case you guys are all new to this. All right, so here are our pricing options. Now, for the first pricing option, we have single. And this is basically saying I want to purchase any single kit off of your website one time and you never pay again, right? So that's just an example of the single plan. And next we have the all access. Now the all access plan, you guys get access to all of our future templates and all of our templates on our website as long as you guys are on the subscription. So for $59 a year, you guys get access to all of our templates, future templates, and you guys also do get 1 year of support just in case you're trying to upload something and it doesn't work and you get frustrated. No problem, we've all been there. We'll go ahead and log in and help you guys upload those templates and fix anything that you guys might have an error with. So that is the all access annual. Now also we have the all access lifetime. Now, the all access lifetime is basically saying if you guys purchase this plan for $99, you guys will get access to all of our templates and all of our future templates indefinitely. All right, so those are yours forever. However, if you guys do need support, we offer 2 years of support with a lifetime. After 2 years of support, you guys will then have to renew the plan if you guys decide to need support. So for example, if you guys come back like 3 or 4 years later or 5 years, say, oh, hey, we need help. It's like, well, you guys have the kits, you know, you guys have, you know, access to all of our kits, but anything after 2 years, as far as support goes, you guys will have to renew that. Now, I want to be clear here. So we make templates every month, and I just want to be very transparent with all of our users. We have a team that is making these template kits every single month, and we have some really, really good designers. Now here we can see one of our videos that we made about 5 months ago, and back then we had 100 kits. Since then, we have now doubled in size, so you can see that me and my team are committed to making these templates because I don't want you guys to subscribe to something and then not get it, which I've been a victim of myself, right? When you purchase something and they're like, oh, we'll give you this, and then you never get it. It's like, no, me and my team, we have a track record of creating these template kits, and you can see just from 5 months ago, we have been making them consistently every single month. And we'll continue to do so for the next 5, 7, 8, 10 years, as long as this lasts. So these are our plans, right? And if you guys want to visit the website, here you can click on Pro Templates and take a look at all of our template kits. And the ones that are actually new, they have a little banner right here that says new. So we just launched these kits right here. We launched a coffee one, a police one, a magazine and blog, a boxing, SEO agency, golfing, engineering and this other engineering one as well. So you can see that we get very creative. You know, we create different niches, we create different categories because we want to accommodate all website users. And if you click on this right here under more details, this is where the pricing options will display. So you can see right here, this says add to cart. You would just go ahead and click on add to cart, and that is the single purchase. If you guys want the annual, then you'll go ahead and subscribe for the year. And the lifetime is this one right here, where you guys get access to all the kits on our websites and future ones, and you never have to pay again. So let me go ahead and walk you guys through how to do this. Now, I have a website right here with nothing on it. Now, there are some prerequisites here. So in order to use these kits, you guys must have Elementor and Elementor Pro. If you guys are only using the Elementor free version and you guys import this, a lot of the parts of the website will not be available because we do use Elementor Pro for these kits. Also for the themes, we have decided to use the Hello Elementor theme. We wanted something very lightweight and very blank, just so that the page builder again is doing all the work. You guys can use any other theme that you want. So you guys can use Bloxy, Astra, Cadence, but just to remind you that if you guys do use these other themes and you import it, you guys might have to go to the theme customizer and adjust the page setting, or just make it, you know, full width, because sometimes when you import it on these other templates, they might have settings that might make it look distorted. So you'll go ahead and have to go ahead and fix that on your own. But they work with every single theme, right? You're good. You're good. All right. Now, once you guys go ahead and purchase one of these right here, you guys will actually go to your accounts. And then from here, all you guys will do is just go ahead and just click on view after you guys have purchased this. And then you'll click on the zip file and then you'll download it. Once you download it, you just take that bad boy and you just upload it to your site and you're done. So let me show you guys how to do that. All right, now the first thing that we're gonna do is we need to enable SVG uploads. So over here, you're gonna see Elementor, and we're gonna click on settings. Over here under advanced, you just wanna make sure that the enable unfilterable file uploads is enabled, okay? Once that's done, you'll click on save changes. Next, we're going to import that bad boy onto our website. So we're gonna go to tools over here, and we're gonna click on import exports. And here where it says import a template kit, you'll click on start imports. And then all you gotta do is just take that zip file and then just drag it here, or just go ahead and upload it. So I'll go ahead and upload that file right here, and then I'll click on open. Now here you just wanna make sure that you have the necessary plugins installed. So obviously we have Elementor and Elementor Pro installed. Now for those of you who are building e-commerce websites or want e-commerce websites, we do sell e-commerce kits, but you'll need to make sure that the WooCommerce plugin is installed, or else it might look a little weird and stuff like that, right? So let's go ahead and click on next. Now here you can see that we're importing the templates, contents, and site settings. Now again, the great part about our template kits, guys, is that we offer the header, the footer, we offer pop-ups, we offer the theme builder, 4 pages, the works, you know? We don't want just those basic generic websites where it's like, oh, the home, the about, the contact page. No. These are full, complete websites, and we got really creative here. You know, here is example of a little pop-up where you can add in like your images and your social profiles, and here we have a custom header. And if we scroll to the bottom, you're gonna see that we do also offer a custom footer as well, right? And if I go to this domain and I type in something weird and I press enter, you're gonna see that we have a custom 404 page as well. So all of our kits have all of this included because we wanna provide a lot of value, and we wanna be very competitive, you know, because we've seen competitors out there, so we're just taking a step further and doing what our competitors are too lazy to do. We're saying, no, I want the full shebang, you know, I want the full thing. And just by taking a look, you know, this one here is an e-commerce one, you know, for our shop page. You can see that we have a custom archive page, and it just looks fantastic. It looks great, it looks great. So let's go ahead and go to our import section here. And now we're just gonna click on imports. And we're just going to go ahead and click on next. And that's it. Now it's setting up our kits, and this might take just a few minutes. Now, if you guys do get an error, just go ahead and try again. We've discovered that sometimes with Elementor, you guys may get an error once, but if you just do it again, it works on the second time, no matter what, I promise. All right, so let's go ahead and wait this out. Ta-da, and there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and close this. And now let's take a look at our website. So I'll click on visit site. And there it goes. So now you guys can see that we have this beautiful website. You know, we have to just probably change the logo right there. If we scroll down, you'll see that everything imported successfully. Let's go ahead and keep scrolling. Everything looks great. And all you guys got to do here is just go ahead and change the actual logo to your logo. And also, if you guys have your own menu, all you got to do here is just, add in your menu and you're all set. Here are the other pages. Let's just go ahead and just take a look here. Make sure all of them imported successfully. And look at that. Everything looks great. Let's go ahead and back up there. Look at that. Everything looks fantastic. Now, what we recommend also is always go to the theme builder and adjust either the header, because sometimes there may be like a small padding issue, and that's just due because the stock logo actually pushes up the menu sometimes. But once you add in your own logo, it'll look just fine, right? But over here, let's go to the templates and go to theme builder. And here we go. So now we have all of our templates. And if you just click on any one of these, you guys can just go ahead and modify that, right? So, all right, and the last thing I wanna show you guys is, again, when you import these templates, sometimes the menu might look a little distorted at the top, and that's just because the placeholder logo is actually creating padding and space. So once you add in your own logo, you'll be all set. So over here, I'll just go ahead and add in a little generic logo, throw that bad boy in there. And once you apply the logo, you'll see that it disappears and everything looks just fantastic. So I'll go ahead and publish that. And also make sure to apply the menu. So if it doesn't look a little distorted at the top, that's because sometimes your website might not have a menu as well. That is one common support ticket that we do see. So over here, we'll go to appearance and menus. And just make sure that you have a menu here, because again, if you don't, which some people do import this with no menu, then there's gonna be nothing there. So a lot of people are like, where's the header? And it's like, well, you gotta add your menu first and then you're all set. And just between me and you, this whole project took about like a year to make. We spent a long time making these kits, and we wanted these kits to actually stand out against our competitors. So that's why we got the idea of making like 10 to 15 pages per kit. And we also created like the headers, the footers, the archive pages, and also the 404 page, because we really want to get competitive, yet we also want to offer really good quality templates that don't look so generic like you've probably seen on other various websites. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys enjoy our kits. If you guys do have suggestions for kits, let me know in the comments below. We're always willing to listen to new feedback and create new kits for different niches. So I hope you guys enjoy it. My name is Gerald Wilson, and I will see all of you party people in the next video, guys. Take care.